Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy Z Fold 8. In today's video, I am reviewing the WSKEN screen protector that I picked up from Amazon. I've been using their screen protectors for a while now. They also make a great case for this phone and other cases too for different phones. But I do like this screen protector. You can get it from Amazon. Like we normally do, I will try to install this on camera. We'll see how easy it is to install. I like doing these different screen protectors so that way you can see which option that you may want to pick up, because they get expensive for installing and uninstalling different screen protectors. But here's the packaging. I don't know if you call that double skin, white skin, however you want to pronounce that. Bam. But I do think you get 2 screen protectors in here. I could be wrong. I order stuff and I don't check it. I just order it. If I used it before, I'm gonna just order it. It says thank you. It has instruction videos or instruction manual. Do we need that? You have 2 packets. You have 2 screen protectors. Oh, you even get, okay. You even get the inner display screen protectors too, which I am not going to install on my phone. I don't need that on the phone. I'm not going to try to install it on the phone. I like using just the screen. So you have, look, you have different things on there, top, camera. So do they want me to open this bad boy up? Oh, so if you want to install, if you're installing this one, that's how you do it there. But what if you just want to, you just put it here, just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the phone ready. Let me power it off. All right, so the first thing you want to do is turn the phone off. That's what you can do first. Then you take one of these packets, and what it looks like too is, what I'm noticing is that it really don't have a guide for installing the main display here, the cover display. But you know the routine. You want to wipe off your phone. Again, if you can do this at nighttime, if you can do it when it's not dusty. Maybe we should try and install the inner screen too, but you don't want to take off the factory one, but we might try it. Who knows, y'all might not even see me post this video. Just kidding. Let's see if it fails. So just wipe it down, just get off all of your oily fingerprints. My cousin Earl, you don't want cousin Earl over on your display, because that would ruin it. But then what you want to do is make sure you have no dust bunnies. So the thing is that the main display, the cover display does not have a guide. So that is kind of weird. So all they say to do, you're going to have to line this up, and then trying to do this on camera and line it up is going to be fun. Let's see. They should have a guide for this. I'm scared. Not bad. That might be a little dust bunny. Do have a little dust bunny under there. Let's see if I can get that off. Sometimes you get these little dust things on there, and then what you want to do is kind of just take the little dust remover. Alright, so I think I got it off. But you kind of just want to place it on there. If you get it crooked, you can take it off again. It's a lot harder to do on the camera and make sure the video is focused. But you pretty much do that. And then they have this big old screen. I mean, this big old squeegee here. And it went on. I mean, I got it pretty centered on there. It would be a lot easier if they had some type of guide for it. But there you go. Now, let's try this one. I don't know about this, but let's try it anyway. Because what if you get a dust bunny on this thing? And I know some people really do like the screens here. So it tells you top, bottom. So pretty much what you want to do is the same thing you do with these other screen protectors. Kind of go out with it like this. Kind of lift it up. Now you may have some bubbles on this bad boy. If you have bubbles on this, it's okay. They will come out. And what you want to do is take this off. And now you have a screen protector for your screen protector. Clean this off too. I never use these type, but we're gonna try and see. How does it affect the screen? But it went on there pretty easy. I wish they just had a guide for this one too. For the main one. Okay. These lines probably will go away. There's little lines right here. But it's on there. Let's turn that bad boy on. So what y'all think? I'm normally not the guy that will put a screen protector on the inner display. But for the outer display, it's pretty good. I wish you just had a guide. I mean, maybe I can reach out to them and get that on there. Oops, I missed it. But it is on there. Look, and it folds pretty good. Doesn't make the crease any more noticeable. Weekend check-in. I mean, it's definitely on there, and it folds in there pretty good too. That's actually pretty good. Bam. And then like the touch sensitivity feels good. And then again, it doesn't come all the way to the end, just like the Spigen screen protector. Now, this install was a little bit longer. Hopefully y'all want to pick this up from Amazon. If you do, I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. Y'all have a great day.